Pigs made me sneeze. By Mo Williams. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want a yes, or what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Chew. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What did pig made me sneeze? Achoo! What did you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs made me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think Piggy make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.